Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire RACK, part number 1543311605. Frigidaire RACK, part number 1543311605 is a replacement rack for Frigidaire ovens. It is made of heavy-duty chrome-plated steel and is designed to fit most Frigidaire ovens. The rack measures approximately 20 inches by 16 inches and has 4 adjustable positions to accommodate different sizes of dishes. It also features a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. This rack is an ideal replacement part for those who have lost or damaged their original racks. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement rack for a Frigidaire oven. It is used to replace a damaged or worn-out rack and can help to restore the oven's functionality. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unboxing the Frigidaire rack and all of its components. 2. Locate the 2 mounting brackets and screws that came with the rack. 3. Place the mounting brackets on either side of the refrigerator, making sure they are level and secure. 4. Place the rack onto the mounting brackets, making sure it is level and secure. 5. Secure the rack to the mounting brackets using the screws provided. 6. Once secured, you can now place items onto your new Frigidaire rack. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.